Good morning to everyone. In this lecture, EC8691 microprocessors and microcontroller, Unit 5, microcontroller 8051 interfaces and applications. In previous session, you can study the keyboard interfaces and the display interfaces and also the ADC and the DAC interfaces. Now, today, we are going to discuss about the sensor interfacing with the 8051 microcontroller. In sensor interfacing, sensor is a, for example, temperature sensor. In temperature sensor is a different categories. There is a RTD, thermistor sensor, thermocouple sensor, semiconductor temperature sensor. Now I am using the LM34 and LM35 temperature sensor. In this sensor of LM34, LM35 sensor are good integrated circuit temperature sensor whose output voltage is linearly proportional to the Fahrenheit or Celsius temperature. The LM34 and LM35 require no external calibrations since it is inherently calibrated. It output 10 millivolt for each degree of the Fahrenheit and Celsius temperature. Now the connection of the connection of 8051 to ADC 0848 and temperature sensor. The ADC 0804 is a very commonly used 8-bit analog to digital converter. It is a single channel IC. It can take only one analog signal as an input. The digital output vary from 0 to a maximum 2255. The step size can be adjusted by setting the reference voltage at pin 9. When this pin is not connected, the default reference voltage is the operating voltage. Therefore, VCC, the step size of 5 volt is 19.53 millivolt. Therefore, for every 19.53 millivolt rise in the analog input, the output varies by 1 unit. To set a particular voltage level as a reference value, the pin is connected to half of the voltage. For example, to set a reference voltage of 4 volt, the pin 9 is connected to the reference voltage 2. Therefore, the reducing the step size of 1.5.62 millivolt. Now, the complete structure of 8051 connection to ADC 0804, the temperature sensor. This is a ADC 804 sensor to connected in the our 8051 microcontroller. This is a LM335 to 2 pipes Zener diode to fix the voltage across the 10 kilo ohm port at 2.5 volt. The use of the LM336 to 2.5 should overcome any fluctuation in the power supply. Now the noise consideration in the sensor circuit. Many sensors such as thermocouples generate relatively small voltages, so noise is always as issues. The most common sources of noise is usually power lines, that is a 50 Hz or 60 Hz. Typically, the bandwidth of temperature sensor is much lower than 50 or 60 Hz. It is a simple and low pass filter will work well in many cases. In this session, we are completely discussed the sensor interfacing in 8051 microcontroller. The next video to present the external memory interfacing of 8051 microcontroller. Thank you for watching this video.